Hi there guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Irfan from Irfan as its host there. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, subscribe. As many of you germinate a lot of seeds, a quick way is to use ice cube trays. I've already filled my ice cube trays with some good potting mix. Grab a bit of plastic, wrap your ice cream tray. It helps retain the moisture after you have it like that. What you want to do is you want to pierce a hole directly where you're planting your seedling. So that's a newly germinated pepper seedling. You just want to take this and you're going to push it through the hole there. There you have it. One seedling, if it will show, one seedling transferred into my pot. Of course, I've got about 30 more to go, so do wish me luck. This is going to take some time to get through, and of course the nice way about this is you can always reuse your ice cream containers. Stay tuned for my updates on my pepper seedlings and my pepper on my pepper plants that I've germinated. I've also got a few other videos on my channel where I just started germinating some fruit trees, avocados, mangoes, and a few other seeds. I've got basil, I've got chilies going on, and I've got a few other seedlings that are germinating. So be sure to follow my journey and my gardening journey, and I hope I see you soon. Keep on growing.